All right, so this is Gene with BizBiz. I'm just working on some client work right now. I just thought, hey, look, I'll peel back the curtain. You can see a little bit what I'm doing. I can, who knows if anybody will ever watch this or not, but this is me just kind of documenting my journey as well. I feel like sometimes documenting these things kind of helps. So this is that. So this is a little hack. So I'm calling this video a client web design hack. So you get a client, you want to build a website for them, you want to design it. I've designed all of mine from scratch, believe it or not. I know some of you out there probably will say use templates. Interestingly enough, I just never even got started using templates. I used Oxygen as a page builder, and I've been using them, and you can build everything from scratch. And you have total control over every aspect of the website, and I really love that for client work. And you can kind of brag on it, it's custom made and all that stuff. All very true, but typically, to get somebody to design a website, it can be expensive and time consuming as well, the back and forth. Or you can just go. I like to give the client, a couple of web designs to look at. So I have Envato Elements. So I go to Web Templates in here. This is, you can get these on group buys in Envato Elements, or you can get it directly from them. I think it's like $197 a year or something like that. To me, it's a small price to pay. But so you can come in here, look under Web Templates, and just type in, so for instance, my client, this is an excavation client. So I'll put in excavation web site. Let's see what happens. Goodness, 1400 excavation. Let's take website off. Excavation doesn't seem to work. Construction. Okay, here's some. Here's some construction websites. So I just look through here. Like say this one right here, perhaps, and go to live preview. And there you go. There's, I guess in this case, it's kind of a gallery to like some homepage options. So homepage 1 or homepage 2. Let's see how this looks. Let's see if this is fully activated. Okay, so right here, you can see the different options. About page. Yes, this is very nice. This is a very professional looking, in my opinion, professional looking construction website that we could definitely use for excavating. We could put all the different excavation type of projects on here that this client does. Service page. Let's see, service details, left sidebar. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, beautiful. Yeah. Love this. So this is really good. So I'm definitely going to take this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to send them this. Hang on here. Home 2. Because that's the one I'm most fond of in this case. For some reason, I don't know why I just like this better. But honestly, this one works good too. So it doesn't really matter because they can browse this then, and then they can give us feedback saying, we like this one, we like that one, or we don't like this one, we don't like that one, and whatever, that back and forth conversation. All right, so that's what I do. I'll take this, I'll send this over to the client as an option. Typically, I'll go through and I'll grab a couple options, maybe some websites that we've built in the past, if they would pick one of those, that would be, great, because we would have that all there. We basically just need to swap out the content. But anyways, just send them over a couple, options like this. So I would say, let me just copy this one. Let's just keep looking while I got you here anyways. Welcome. Thank you for hanging around. I didn't really expect anybody to watch this far. Anyway, so that being said, I'm going to copy this. It's just going to throw it over onto a notepad. All right, got that link there. Now let's go back here and see if there's anything else. Build state construction interactive template. Let's look at this one here. That looks interesting. Let's look at a live preview of this. Oh, nice. So there's two different, that's an intro. Interesting. So this is the main website here. Okay. Let's just wait for this to load here. All right. So there you go. So there's another one. Would this work for a construction, an excavation website? Just think about the pictures you could put behind this. You could put, an excavation or a picture of an excavator, things of that nature. These could all be changed out for excavation jobs. Like different services. I really like this one too. Honestly, I like this one better, a little better than the last one. Then we could kind of use this as a couple of different about us options that they could choose from. And it makes the customer feel very well taken care of as well. They have all these options, these designs. They can see that, it's clearly a design. It's not somebody else's website, because it's got all this lorem ipsum in here and whatnot. So they feel like it's very, they feel like they're getting a very, well taken care of experience. So here's a service page. This is a beautiful service page. Beautiful, beautiful service page. You got a side menu here. So I really like this. So what I'm going to do for sure is going to take this. We have a whole bunch of different home pages even. Oh, nice. Yeah, so I'm just going to grab this link, copy it. I'm going to add that to my list. All right, so great. So let's look. Let's go back again. Take another dip, like they say. Let's go back here. So that one and the other one was maybe a little more of a darker theme. No, let's see, I can't remember. I think maybe it was. This is a little brighter, cheery theme. Just throw some variety at the client. Go to the live preview here again. Okay, so we got a couple different home pages here. Yeah, I can see this one being really nice as well. So these are some pretty nice quality, could be some really nice quality excavation websites. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this link. This is about 3, so I think this is plenty for him to choose from. I don't want to overwhelm him with options. So I'm going to throw these 3 options at him and see if there's anything there. I think 3 is kind of a magical number, so we'll throw those 3 at him, see what he says, and then kind of go from there and see what comes back. And that's how we can get our web design done for Well, I've designed, to just put it this way, I've designed many websites already for that 197 for a year. So, um, show me where you can get a dedicated web designer, get web designer quality websites for cheaper than that. This is probably not out there. So this is a little hack that I use. Um, so yeah, you're welcome to use it as well. Hopefully, it helps somebody out there. And yeah, it's always open to new conversations too. If you got something to share with me, I'll definitely give you credit. Link back to your website or whatever. If you have any of these hacks that we can all learn together. So, hey, thanks a whole lot, and hopefully we'll see you around.